Welcome to UniSellergy. This guided tour is designed to help you understand the UniSellergy dashboard step by step. Each step highlights a specific section of the screen with a clear title and short description explaining what the feature does and how it helps you manage your business efficiently. You can move through the tour at your own pace using the navigation buttons. To continue to the next step, click Next. To return to the previous step, click Preview. If you close the tour using the close icon before completing it, the tour will close for now and automatically appear again the next time you visit this page. On the final step, you will see an option called Don't Show Again. If you click Done without selecting this option, the tour will close but will appear again the next time you open this module. If you select Don't Show Again and then click Done, the tour will be permanently disabled for this page and will not appear in future visits. This gives you complete control over when and how you view the guided tour. Start managing your business easily with UniSellergy. All your sales channels on one powerful platform. Thank you for using UniSellergy.